Hi, time for another gear grind. So, I was gifted these quick laces. So often when I'm not in cycling, I'll get another pair of shoes to wear when I'm kicking it around camp or just in my casual life. So I got a pair of Cons, and I am going to lace these ones. I believe that it says they're from a store called Sale, and apparently these are 70% off. So we'll lace them up right now and see how it goes. And there's two of them in here. And they're just about the right length. It's kind of hard to get them the same length because they're so stretchy. Oh, something happened here. All right, that's one. And now the second. They're actually really easy to thread through. It's not a difficult thing at all. All right, almost done. Alright, they actually feel really good right off the bat. Okay, and because they're elasticized, we'll do a double knot. Oh, piece of cake. I was cycling and forgot. You can let that down. Oh wow, they're really comfortable. Really comfortable. Fantastic. All right, guys. So we will go for a walk and see how these things feel, and update you in a little bit. All right, guys. So it's a little windy right now. I've been wearing these around most of the day. And these quick laces have stayed tied, and they are actually really comfortable. It makes these shoes fit like an absolute glove. So would I recommend? Yeah. And thanks to the viewer who sent them. This has been another gear grind. Wish you were here. All right, guys. So these are the xPand Never Tie Your Shoelaces Again. One size fits all. Simply lace them up and good to go. Is that focused? xPandShoelaces.com. I don't know if it'll focus. Anyways, there you go.